What's up guys, your Biglee here. As promised, we are going to be looking into posing for contests. I've got Dilip, this year's overall men's physique NPC champion, to demonstrate men's physique posing. First, there is a one don't do pose. Dilip. So this is how many of the men's physique category athletes stand on stage. This pose is never scored. So don't waste your time posing like that. There are 4 quarter turns which you need to do. Let's go with pose number 1. Front pose. So if you look into this pose, he is displaying his tiny waist, trying to look broader. And while trying to look broader, a lot of people forget that they have to display the details. So when you are trying to look broader, the breadth is important, at the same time showing the separation of your pectorals, deltoids, your intercostals, abdominals are very important. Quarter turn to the right. Side pose. In this pose, he is trying to display that he's got a very tiny waistline. From the side, it looks as thin as possible, and at the same time displaying the details of his side development, the thickness of his chest, the thickness of his arm, deltoids, and a perfect feet positioning. And many people believe that, when it's men's physique, you need not train your legs, but if you miss training your legs, you won't be able to show this width. The width of the thighs from the side is going to elevate the looks where your waist looks tiny. So it has to be a yes, whether you're a bodybuilder or a men's physique athlete. So don't skip your leg day as well. Turn to the back. This is where most of the people do the mistake. When you're doing a back pose, you gotta bend a little bit forward so that you're able to show the details of your lower back, and then spread it out. When he's spreading out, you can see he's not just showing his width, he's keeping his lower back in contraction, showing the details of Christmas tree, the lower back, the rhomboids, the lats, and the details of his entire trapezius and rear deltoid is also seen. So this pose is scored based on width, symmetry, and the details that you show. So it's not just the width where people, stand like they're riding a huge bike, but it's about the detail as well. Now, turn to the right. This is another side pose, just like how he did on the left. Now, the judges will be given an opportunity to see how symmetrical he is. Is he as good as he was on the left side? So this gives the judges an opportunity to see all-round development. When it comes to men's physique, you gotta remember, bodybuilding is about being as freakily big and conditioned as you can. But when it comes to men's physique, it is about conditioning your body, showing a perfect V-taper, and showing maximum details with symmetry. Symmetry is the king which decides the positioning of this particular category. So now we have seen one pose that you should not do while you are on the mandatories, and the 4 quarter turns where the judges judge the symmetry, development, your width, V-taper, and the beauty. And very important thing about the men's physique category is this. When it comes to bodybuilding, your finished poses are judged, but when it's men's physique, this category was introduced to add up glamour to the sport of bodybuilding. When I say glamour, people come in stylish, people display the style and the attitude while posing. You could see, men who come into bodybuilding doesn't have a groomed face. It's all about just showing the part neck below. But when you look at the men's physique category, you can see he is well groomed, his hair is set, and from head to toe, he tries to define an ideal man look, not just a freak look, but an ideal man look. So when you're into this category, pay attention to everything in your body from head to toe. Move with grace, show your style, because hundreds of people are standing in a category. If you need to stand out, it's not just the development of your muscle, but it's about how you carry yourself on stage, how much confidence you display. Confidence is the king. If you're not confident about your body, who else will be? So go on stage with full confidence, display the mandatories with style and ease and elegance. You will surely grab attention and score well. Now Dilip will display some optional poses for the music. If you are a finalist, you need to practice different styles so that you can entertain the crowd and show the development of your body outside the mandatories. Dilip. So if you looked into his optional poses, he was still carrying out a display of his symmetry and V-taper, the tiny waist and the broad shoulder. So guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial on posing with Dilip, the national NPC overall men's physique champion. Do like the video, comment the video on what you would like to see next, and if you like something specific about the video, you can post that as well. Share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and yes, press on the bell icon so that you can get notification about all my new videos. With that, it's Dilip and Biglee, over and out.